Welcome to The Breeze in Storm Lake. Lakeside living with ease, comfort, and sophistication. The Breeze, a premium condominium development nestled comfortably between the lake and Sunrise Point Golf Course, offers incredible views, amenities and upgrades, and lots to do, all within reach. Enjoy one of the best spots in Iowa, in a dynamic, exciting community. Whether you're looking for recreation or relaxation, you'll love to call The Breeze home. The Breeze is easy, sophisticated living. There's quick access to local businesses, restaurants, things to do, and the lake trail winding through the city's beautiful parks. Storm Lake has top-rated schools, a nationally ranked university, award-winning hospital, family-owned specialty shops, and the much-recognized large chains. There's nothing that you'll need that you can't get here. Lake living has never been this affordable, this accessible, or this fun. The Breeze boasts amenities and features that we're proud of, and as an owner, you'll love. Our units are designed to be comfortable, accessible, and convenient for all ages. Whether you're just starting out, downsizing, or even looking for a getaway for you and the family. And if you don't want to spend your summer days mowing, our beautifully landscaped grounds are maintenance-free. If you like to relax on the water, the shore is steps away, with a dock and boat slips available for condo owners. If a round of golf is more your speed, you can be on the first tee before you even get your glove on. And as an owner, enjoy specialty perks, like special rates at the water park next door, and the golf course in your backyard. We offer 1, 2, and 3 bedroom units, with either lake or golf course views. Each unit features first-class finishes, including premium appliances, hard surface flooring, granite countertops, and more. The Breeze is also pet-friendly for your 4-legged companions. Even the stuff you don't see is impressive. Units are geothermally heated and cooled, providing comfort on top of efficiency. We're on schedule to complete construction in early 2022, just in time for you to get settled in for a fun, exciting summer on the water. For more information, visit thebreezestormlake.com. To learn about unit availability and sales, contact real estate specialists in Storm Lake.